guy. I know, sapsucker. Flame. I'm so sad for you, buddy. Don't worry, I got you some water, okay? This is Flame, my neighbor's sapsucker. Give him some water. Yeah, bud. Come on. There you go. Yeah. Birds in stress really need to have some water. That's what I learned from working at this animal rehab center, to hold up his head a little better. So, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Oh no. Come on. Get a little bit of water. Yeah. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's okay. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Wow. Look at you. Hi. Are you okay? Are you okay? I know. Your beak is all kind of not closing very good, bud. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Look at you. Look at how beautiful you are. Yeah. Okay. And he goes. And there he is. Yes. Gosh, there he is.